pressure in my chest. I've got to fight to catch my breath when every step still feels the same. Trying not to break. Where do I go from here? Maybe I'll disappear. If I don't try, I'll never know. I'm waiting on you. Where do I go from here? There will be no more tears. Kill the doubt, feed the fire, hear the voice inside. Not giving up, it's my turn this time. They took a shot, now I want mine. You fall, I rise, I take the wheel. So this is how it feels. Where do I go from here? Maybe I'll disappear. If I don't try, I'll never know. I'm waiting on you. Where do I go from here?
Now we should have Mike. There it is. Hey, Lulu. It says my chat's online, but chat's definitely not showing. So I am trying to debug a little bit. Pedro, is that music too loud? Is the music too loud? It feels a little loud. How do I turn the music down? Do I just do it on Spotify? I don't know. I don't know what I've done anymore. Sorry. So essentially, I can do this, and then the redirect fails. Because it's not redirecting to here. But now it is very well. I mean, I can't even hear it right now. So. Oh, that's my client ID. That we already know. It's the secret that's scary. So I have this, which is clearly not even using, right? Right? Is it doing HTTPS on the host? I don't think it is. I told myself I wouldn't use AI to code on my streams, and then look at me now. Chat's also not coming up on my thing. I'm a little confused as to why chat's not coming up on my prompter. I might just throw this up there. I just have to like try to check it. I prefer this. I prefer like when chat just works. It says I'm online. So annoying. Why does it say that the title's data modeling? I changed the title 4 times. Whatever. Oh, did I not do tails? Oh, I was supposed to do that. I see tail scale. Serve. Sudo. Oh gosh. One day I'll have Kubernetes set up. I skipped that part, by the way. The Kubernetes part. Yeah, well, it looks correct in other places too. It's just... I thought that would do it. Yeah, I don't have Tailscale serve running. Do I have to have Tailscale serve running? Oh, do I have to do this? It should always work like that, though. Right, like this. This should just always work. Well... Scale. Serve status. What? Hey, there's no server config, so you can just Docker stop. What's already running? Foreground? Yeah. I know. But it says it's not. It says no serve config. Right? That means it's not running. Or do I need to do this? Yeah, no serve config. Yeah. I don't know. I want you to know that I've tried redoing my Twitch chat on the prompter like 4 times. It also won't let me like log out, so clearly I just broke something. Oh, I forgot to start the other thing too. No, I want you to just like These are not running. This is my Keep Alive bot that I built to just like bug me when it can't connect to things so that I know when my model's down. And by I built, I mean I didn't build it. Claude built it in like 15 minutes. It's pretty impressive. Okay, so that should fix that. Still don't know what that's doing. We got no curl on that sucker. And it still thinks it's like... But it's supposed to be doing the tail scale serve, right? Yeah, but it should be redirecting to... Nah. Let's try with the host. Oh, it doesn't recognize the host. The problem is... not you. This. It doesn't like it when I do HTTP. That's the problem. Unless it's localhost, it doesn't like HTTP. So if I do this, don't like it. I press add, it's like nope. Can't do that. And so time to just write your code. I know. I just wanted it to help me debug. Clearly it's not writing the code. Get mad at me. Oh. But then it'll be on a branch. Redirect host. Yeah, where do we setting protocol? See, if redirect host is not that or that, the protocol should be HTTPS, but it's not printing that. Like here in the log, which should be using logs. Yeah, it should be not doing HTTPS. Which means it thinks that this is the redirect, even though it's not. Right? Let's make it that. Wait. Why does it print? It prints 2, right? It prints redirect configured for that. Okay. It's not printing the localhost one anymore. Wait. Okay. I'll just... Oh, yeah, doing that here doesn't do me much good, does it? I don't have that. Twitch off. Oh my. I'm running a branch. Git checkout main. we go. Just do this. Oh, it's always gonna be that. Sorry, sucker. Docker build. I don't know when the last time I built the Pedro one was. It was Wednesday. Yeah, I've heard of Control R. I just can never get it to work, though. Hates me. My brain just doesn't know how to do it. This is a valid redirect, though. Okay, so I think that we need to remove the port from, not you, from this. Okay. And then we just go run this sucker again. Hey! Something actually happened though. Did we get Pedro? Freak yes. It's been too long. Oh, great. This is the best part. You ready for this? No, go into the empty one. VLLM is down for the 4th time today. I cannot get my Windows machine to stay alive. It is the Windows machine specifically that is being a pile of hot garbage, and I am so irritated with it. I don't know why it literally will not like run Docker or anything. Yeah, but the automatic going to sleep has never affected running Docker and never affected running my stuff in the past. And it shouldn't affect the Tailscale Connect either. Like, that's the thing. Like, even if it was going to sleep, it shouldn't turn Tailscale off or anything. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go turn on this stupid thing. I'm just mad at Windows.
The horizon pulls me closer, a whisper in the wind. The map is blank before me. Where do I begin? No fear of what's uncertain. The unknown feels like home. With every step I'm finding a place I've never known. Let's go where no one has ever been. A world unseen beneath our skin. Through endless skies, we'll break the chain. Uncharted lands will claim them all. Rise like tides and let it fall. Just endless seas. Come drift with me. Come drift with me. Break the chain. Uncharted lands will claim them all. Rise like tides and let it fall. Just endless seas. Come drift with me. 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 Come drift with me.
not even know. I'm back. I am sorry. What horrible content this is. I don't even care. Windows. Now it's not gonna work. Alright, it was a. Oh, I can't connect to the PC. It's like having this weird thing where it won't run Tailscale or the Docker container or anything like remotely. And it's ridiculous. And that's why I have this whole branch. Oh, that's the wrong tab. That's why I have this whole branch set up to be able to do everything locally with Olama. It's just not. I haven't had time to finish it. We need Claude to know that it has permissions to run those two things all the time. Because not everybody's going to have a local dev environment quite like mine. I am not happy about this. Make sure it's connected to the network. It is connected to the network. Oh, thank you for livening us up with a dad joke. We'll keep this up. I gotta go mess with that thing again. It wasn't, like, Tailscale wasn't loading. And if Tailscale doesn't load, then I can't remote into it. And it's a whole thing. I don't understand. I don't understand why Tailscale wasn't loading. And I just updated the WSL config to have more RAM so I can run a big model. Ah.
Sobe o clima, sente o calor. Requebra no ritmo, sente o amor. Vem no flow, não pode negar. Essa vibe é nossa, pode acreditar. Mexe, remexe sem parar. Essa energia vai te levar. Chão tremendo, todo mundo dançar. É o baile que nunca vai acabar.
Talking me, why have you been avoiding me so much lately? Did I do something wrong, or was it maybe something I said? I'm going crazy thinking about it.
Didn't do anything.
Say you're sorry, darling. Say it's all your fault.
I just Pedro tilde 43, so we'll see if that does anything.
Something is obviously
To the model yet? Oh, that's because it's not running that model. Running the wrong model. Oh, it's running the wrong model. Oh, but I can connect from my computer now, which means I can force it to be on. But last time I forced it to be on, guess what it did? Guess what it did last time I forced it to be on? It just disconnected me like a pile of hot garbage it is. Docker PS. Docker. Stop. VLLM. Server, that's what we... What? Why is it called Razzie Jennings? Why is it... Crazy Jennings? Razzie Jennings is not a thing. It doesn't... See? And it, like, didn't save the history from when I went and updated the WSL config earlier today. Good thing I have Claude history to remind me what my model was. What would I do without you, Claude history? I don't need that. I removed the Hugging Face token. I also changed Pedro. So with VLLM, you do have to specify the model. That's something you didn't have to do with Llama C++. Yeah, I'm running VLLM, not Llama C++, for tool calls. Guess I don't need replace anymore? Oh, replace was with the other stuff. So it should, with the runtime NVIDIA -- all GPUs, that gives Docker access to all GPUs. And then WSL config, I gave it 56 gigabytes. So it'll take a minute to load because it's a chunk. And then, but it should say ready to access system. While we're here, we should be able to do. What port are we running Grafana on? Oh, this thing really just like died, didn't it?
I'm gonna get you, gonna make you fall in love with me, you want more. Yeah, but you never had a better way. I do it all. I'm gonna get you, gonna make you fall in love with me, you want more. Yeah, but you never had a better way. I do it all.
3,000. So I should be able to just do 3,000. I actually set it up. To use this password? Sweet. Oh look! It's actually collecting data. It actually works! I can't believe it. It's not hot garbage. Unlike this. VLLM's not the problem. VLLM's been really nice to me. Actually, see, it just dies. What the heck? I don't even know. It just like it has to be going to sleep, and that like destroys Docker desktop. I don't get it. I don't. Let's go ask Claude. Since I can't ask Pedro. Why is my Windows machine force kicking me off of the Tailscale connection after like 5 minutes? It's not key expiry. It also stops Docker desktop. When it kicks me off the remote desktop connection. I don't understand why. This is it, like it didn't used to do this. It's a personal machine. Can I just get it to never turn off or something? Is resource manager is enabled in the Docker desktop settings. It's not an expiry key. It's not an expiry key because I have the it's not that. This is not the issue. But it just like turns it off. Because like now I can't reconnect. It's not even that. If I go back to my Windows desktop. Yeah. Why would Resource Manager turn off the entire desktop?
Oh, I can't forget myself. The peace that I'm missing.
Like I cannot reconnect once it does its connection because it like logs me out of my full profile. Yeah. And it's like, yeah, it just like, it turns off Tailscale. When the desktop goes to sleep, yes, so when the machine goes to sleep, it turns off Tailscale, Docker, and Docker desktop. And so I have to manually go log in and turn those on before I can remote in again. It's weird. It's like it's never done this before. Yeah, I don't. How do I change the? Yes. Control power options. Change it to never go to sleep. Okay. It does. Tailscale auto reconnects. It just takes a minute. But I have to go turn it on. Okay, so I need to go to settings, system, power, never go to sleep. I don't know where that is. I'll go find it. I didn't want to give a talk at my conference. I just did not. Pedro, it will never sleep now. And it wasn't even sleeping, it was just turning the display off. I don't know why it was turning the display off like that. Oh, good! That's good. This is good. That just probably means it's using the wrong model again. Oh, it shouldn't matter. It, like, the fact that it was, like, not even going to sleep. It was just, like, turn off display after 5 minutes that was kicking me is what's even funnier. Your session was disconnected. Now watch. Nothing's happened in 3 minutes because, like, you can't even. There we go. See? Failed to get a response. I just completely shut everything down. I do not get it. I do not even know why Docker Desktop is such a pile of hot garbage. Yes, it's on the network and it's hardwired. Like, it's not. I do not understand why it won't let me connect. And Tailscale Serve was running. I don't know. I'm blaming my. Full camera. other news. Oh, did I just static shock my skin? So just to update everybody, I am going to put in my computer in here. So sorry for the horrible content. This will probably be the only week I stream for a long time because I bought a house, so I have to move all of my stuff from this room to like a different city. So the home lab again. my wireless mic and stuff over her. So you can't, but I get. Oh. Oh, it just crashed. It's also been saying that like WSL can't start, but it's been doing before this. Pretty much since I started Docker desk.
Pretty close to
Service.
heaven now. Moments
What?
of euphoria.
Double.
I am never coming down. Oh my, this time I'ma keep it gon' stay fucked up, feel so good. High on my, the sky underneath my feet, it never looked so good. Oh my, that's right, I'ma keep it up, stay fucked up, that's my mood. Oh my euphoria.
Okay. Now if I log in, it should kick me out of the other one. Kicked me out just like I expected. Now it's on a desktop screensaver, and you can almost see what I'm doing. Almost. Go. Almost see what I'm doing. I went too hard. There you go. So now I should be able to Docker run. I don't know where my chat went. Sorry, chat. So yeah, it doesn't. See, it's not putting my stuff in history. And it's so sad. No, I stopped that. Oh, look, there's my Hugging Face token. Don't go download any free models with that. I don't have any credit card or anything hooked up, so you're not going to get anything with it. I know this doesn't actually tag me. I have a PR up that fixes that, but I just wanted to make sure it does the health checks. I have a lot of stuff I'll be working on. Just work. Sweet. We got 37, almost a 40 gigabyte model. That's so good. That's so much better than 32. Oh. No. No, the screen went to sleep again. I don't know how to fix that. I do not know. I can't do anything else at this point. Like, did something change for Windows security that I... I don't know. Well... Sorry, don't know what to do. Honestly, I don't even know how to rate at this point, so I don't even know. Disconnect. Like, I shouldn't have to need to log in to connect. But it and then it has a pop-up in the corner that said WSL failed setup.
I like it hot, feel spicy fresh. Let me have a little taste, cold hot.
WSL is
Let me see what's up. I like it hot, feel spicy fresh. Let me have a little taste, cold hot. It is sweet. Let me see what's up. I like it hot.
I can't think of anything.
I like it hot. Let me see what's up. I like it hot.
Hey, Dev Patel.
I like it hot.
How you doing? I am very frustrated at my computer right
Let
now.
me see what's up. I like it hot. I like it hot.
And my model won't even run. You can't hear me. Why can't you hear me? Why can't you hear me? Oh, I turned my mic all the way down. That's why. Turned on my mic all the way down.
Let me see what's up. I like it hot. I like it hot. Let me see what's up. I like it hot.
I don't know.
I like it hot. I like it hot, feel spicy fresh.
Yeah, I work with Python, just not usually on stream. That's
I
mostly
like
for
it hot,
work.
feel spicy fresh. Let me have a little taste, cold hot. It is sweet. Let me see what's up. I like it hot. I like it hot.
Still loading.
Let me see what's up. I like it hot. I like it hot. Let me see what's up. I like it hot. I like it hot.
it's hard to hear me because of the music. Oh, right now I'm just, well, it's because I wasn't talking to my mic. But, I'm trying to get my Docker container to work on WSL and not have to fight it for the next week. That's what I'm trying to do, but I can't show it to you because it won't connect over Tailscale. And now I'm about to copy. Have to run this. So, Docker run -d. Actually, let's not do a -d. Let's just do Docker run for now. Keep my logs up. Name, VLLM, server, runtime, NVIDIA, GPUs all, volume, cache, hugging / root / dot cache dash hugging face. So glad I had. This would be so much harder if I didn't have LASIK 4 years ago. Do I use AI assisted coding much or rarely? All the time at work, almost. It's definitely my daily driver at work. On stream, the goal is to never do it. But I'm not really coding today. Trying to get this thing to work. And debugging, I have found to be so much. Debugging is just so much easier with AI. I don't need the Hugging Face one. I need VLLM / VLLM OpenAI : latest. Model, hugging, font, meta, llama 3.17b, instruct. Way harder without LASIK. Last time I was unemployed. I was unemployed for all of 2 weeks. Command ++. Oh my gosh! But this is a Windows machine. Who needs LASIK? Control ++ work on the Windows. AWQ. The reason I don't stream as much is because I don't know how to. anymore. I work at a real startup where they're like, let's solve all the world's problems. I do not. The problem with my current company, my current company only hires people who can work and attend the office in Utah. So I cannot really refer anyone. I'm at the GPU memory utilization part. You should convince them the world has problems with no soy peak Twitch streams. Hey Ghost Daddy, the world does have problems with no soy peak Twitch streams. I don't know. My boss, he was like, can't you just stream on Saturday? I'm like, no, I can't. Oh gosh. Okay, now how do I make it the biggest screen possible? Where's my mouse? No, I'm not working this week because of my conference. I took it off. I didn't think I'd be able to get my demo working if I had to do my real job. Do I know anyone hiring remote? No. I'm really sorry about that. I really have not done a good job of keeping my tabs on hiring. I misspelled name. The second argument is name, and I misspelled it. Name. There we go. Oh my gosh. Is it GPU or GPUs? Volume was -V. Port 8080, ICP host. Was it not SMH desk size? Control C, Control V. Your ears. There you go. How's that? Almost. Is that better? Control C, Control V. Yeah, but I don't have anything logged in on this computer for security. Because remember how I was like, oh, I'm going to get this thing, and then I'm going to run Linux on it? I spelled quantization wrong. Security. I misspelled stopped. It's spelled STAOPED. VLM-OpenAI. I'm so close. Stop. Exactly. I put the... maybe. I misspelled Hugging Face Cache. It's spelled C-A-H-C-E. What do you mean? That is what it tells me to do. I have an extra period. I think I have it working. I spelled max model length wrong. Docker. Oh. Misspelled tool choice. I spelled choice C-H-A-O-I-C-E. No. Researchers can read video signal from display cables? Do you have an article for that? That's amazing. That's literally like how the FBI stole phone calls for years. It was just like, let's see if we can find a radio frequency. What? That's crazy. It's loading safe tensors. GoWest is not October 25th, it's October 24th. I don't know why in my head it's always the 25th, but it is the 24th. It is Friday! And now it will never turn off. And so when I go to bed at night, I'll just have a giant screen on from the windows keeping me awake. I did have that problem once. Did I not use my Lego gift card? Oh, you mean the display? Yeah, I can turn the display off. But then I wouldn't know if it was awake. I should use my Lego gift card to buy me the gingerbread AT-AT. So that I can use it in my new house. The LED, I don't care about... Oh, no. I'm talking about... Yeah, the display. I'm talking about the display specifically. Do we have Grafana running over here? Oh, so nice. Was 9090? No. Prometheus? So it's catching Twitch, it's catching local metrics, it's catching that, it's not catching this. I don't think it will catch this. I, do not think it'll catch this endpoint at all. I will tell you that it's still failing to get a response. The endpoints aren't running. So it has to have the endpoints up, and then I should be able to curl them. But it's not alive because the endpoints aren't running. What is this? What is local GPT? You have GPT OSS running locally? Is that your local GPT? It just shut off. It just turned the screen off. No! No! Come back to me! No! It can't do that. You can't turn the screen off. Especially when I literally told you to never turn the screen off. And WSL crashed. I mean, it says it can't load WSL code. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with turning the screen off, but when it turns the screen off, everything shuts down. I do not know what happened. I do not know what I loaded into my computer. But I do not know. Do not know. Did I really only start streaming an hour and a half ago? I feel like I've been doing this for 4 hours. Okay, I'm really about to just say screw it. And reload Ubuntu, and then reload CUDA, and then install Docker, and then do everything all over again. Because I know that works. Docker logs -FELN server. Okay, so it started loading the model again where it was. 7 out of 9 safe tensors loaded. It just starts the Docker container over again. Yeah, so it won't run Docker. It won't run Docker when I turn it off. Power CFG sleep study. Do I have to run that in PowerShell? I just don't know anything about Windows. I just know absolutely nothing. As admin, then I have to log out of this one and log in as admin. I don't have any admin permissions on this thing, and it didn't used to have this problem. Is there like a Docker desktop setting to run Docker desktop when you're asleep? Well, because it also logs out of Tailscale when it does that stupid thing. That's the other problem too. Oh look, I found my other thing. It was shift control. I don't know. I do not have the permissions. Wrong mouse. Power. No, it's straight up logging me out. Oh, it's like wants this password for this thing, and I don't know what that password is. There's like this default user that it's like, give me your password, and I'm like, I don't know what that is. I don't know what the default user password is. RF virus? Seriously. Oh, I'm on my watch. And on my computer just shut down. I don't know why. It just did it again. It just... Okay. I'm done. Sorry. I will be back tomorrow and Wednesday, and we will... Tomorrow or Wednesday, we'll get this sucker figured out, but as of right now, Windows is going bye-bye. I will be overheating. It's freaking liquid cooled. I'm gonna go redo the whole thing. redo the operating system. I'm just gonna go restart the whole thing. I'll be back tomorrow, and I'll be back Wednesday, and we'll get this thing load tested. See you guys. Sorry, I'm not raiding. I just am just doing something else.